Hello and welcome on the stream. I hope I'm audible and you can listen to my voice properly. So welcome to London session. And now let's look at gold. What do we have here? Did we swipe a New York high? No, we did not. We could not swipe New York high till now. We swiped many liquidities, but New York high was not swiped. This liquidity was swiped. Alt R. So the liquidity above has not been swiped. New York high is still there to be swiped, and I would like to see a liquidity swipe of this low. Once the liquidity swipe of this low has been there, I would like to look for longs. Let me share the stream with my audience. Have some patience, please. Okay, let me share it here. We everyone, you can join this Discord server from the links in the description. Now let's come back to our trading. Now here we are with a loss of $10. This is another account. Let me come back to the real account. Here we are with a loss of $89, that is nearly 1%, and here the Nasdaq is falling. We trade XAUSD and USD JPY as well. Let's see if we have USD JPY still here. No, we don't have USD JPY still here. So the fall can be go. So it might fall up to like opening price of the day. But now what I want to see is an swipe of this low as well. Let's look at MNQ. I got stopped out here. So this trade came out to be 1 is to 5 or something. My stop was here 1 is to 5. Actually we had entered somewhere here. So this trade came out to be 1 is to 5.5 something. Now let's come back at gold and oil. And the oil is pushing higher. This was the breaker long. If we had taken this trade, then it would have been to a loss. We are still trading around the new dog. There's a new vog and vog, or to say, this liquidity has been swiped. Now, as the liquidity has been swiped, we are looking for a market structure shift that would be here to continue higher. MSS. Let's see if we get an MSS. If we get MSS, I will risk $50 again to gain to $50, and that is all that I can risk right now. MGC. We have a liquidity swipe, then market structure shift would be better. Here is the liquidity swipe. Here is the liquidity swipe. Let's see if we get a market structure shift. If we get a market structure shift, then we will have a trade for the long side. Now let's look at MNQ. That's a breaker. The market is rejecting from a breaker. I was looking to forwards all the way up to like this buy side and even go to the first presented fair value gap of the yesterday, but I know the market will be bearish today in the morning session of New York. That is New York session. So let's just wait for the market to do its thing. Any questions, then you can ask. I will answer. Total PNL is $390. For the day was just $390 for the day. Orders. Okay, orders. Working none. Position okay. Account summary 390. That is $400 of profit for the day. That's a good start. Really good start. Where is London low? Sorry, Asia low. Let me see. Let's mark Asia low and Asia high. So here we have Asia low. Asia low. Asia low. Monday, March 30. make it 14 pixels wide. When did the SCR London session begin? The London session began at this point. So we have SCR high here. SCR high. Let's see if the market has given a body candle closure. There is no body candle closure neither on the futures nor on the forex.com. We need a body candle close to take this trade. What will be our trade, by the way? MGC, buy, stop loss somewhere here, and our TP will be Asia high. Sachar, that's good. We can do this very well. Just wait for the market now. Let's look at MNQ. So the market has created a market sector shift here. So we have an inversion fair value gap. If the market retraces back, I would love to enter into a long. This would be, I need $800, 200 for 800. This is going to be the trade. Let's see if there is any liquidity. Yep, there is. Buy limit. Last time I had executed 9 min macros, but only 1:4. It is a very quite reasonable trade for the NQ. Last time I had executed 9 trade lots, but only 5 were executed, and 4 were only 4 were executed. Oh, the 5, I think 5 were executed and 4 were left unexecuted. Although the execution was in one go. I don't know why that happened, but it had happened. Now let's look at our CFD trade. We didn't get a market structure shift. That's a bad idea for the trade. Let's take trade on CFD here as well. It is in Nasdaq. If we execute 4 lots, risk $60. Let's come on 15 minutes time frame and see the buy side liquidity. That is here or here. This could be a good trade. Taking in account that the market is going exactly at the buy side liquidity, we would need $600. I think $600 is enough for this trade. Let's see how it goes. We have same trade. Well, the trade is executed here. I why do have to is this one right? Come on, take the trade. Oh yeah, CFD trade was not executed. Set. The CFD trade was not executed. Totally set. The CFD trades would have been executed by now. Let's see if it gets executed or not. Yep. It's executed now. Now let's just wait for the market to do its thing. We are in London session and the market now can retrace back to the opening price of the day. Which could go against our trade, but it's okay. We are targeting the liquidity. Is there any liquidity above here? There is a very big liquidity above, and there is one liquidity at here as well. So I think we should be good for the day. Let's just get above this trade. I am sorry for the sounds from the background. I will just Sir ki halchal. I am all good, Team X Swapnil. What about you? Yes, I am on the Discord, but I am not streaming on the Discord. I am streaming on the YouTube, so I can't be at two places at once. I can be on, I can be only at one place at one time. So the CFD and futures both were executed, and we are in greens right now, or blues for the MT5. And let's see how the trade goes. Well, if you are new to the stream, please like the stream and subscribe to the channel. That's all I am asking for you from you, and that is all that I can ask. Well, the market has respected the inversion fair value gap for the 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 4 minutes till now, and I'm sure the market will respect it and go higher because we have a lot of liquidity above. Well, the targets on both my accounts are different. On futures account, the target is quite low, that is 1 is to 4 only, but on CFD account, the target is quite higher, quite a lot higher. You can see the target is on 5 minutes time frame, and it is more than 1 is to 10 RR on the CFD account. Let's come at 50 minutes time frame. Here is, you can see the target is more than 1 is to 15 R, oh sorry, 1 is to 10 RR, yes, on the CFD one, but on the futures one the trade is 1 is to 4.16. Well, I am trading both futures and CFD at the same time. The left side you are seeing the MT5 screen, that is CFD, and the right side on the trading view chart, that's the futures account. A Blue Guardian futures 50k account for $48 with no activation fees. You can use code SMT to get that account at $48. And right on the left side, I am trading wealth or of 100 accounts on the second step. We are quite bullish on NQ right now, but we will go bearish uh, after NY session. I am sure of that. But for now, we are bullish. We have come quite a far away. Mm, the London sessions began like 23 minutes ago, and there has not been like big volume injection in the market. Target for CFD, let me show you the target for CFD. The target for CFD is 23,351. That is, if we look on US 100, let's mark it here as well. We are going, the trade is going against our trade, the market is going against our trade, and it can happen because we are in London session now, and the market might retrace back to the opening price of the day, as I am saying right now. So the we have entered at 23,200, 23,200. Our exit is at 23,184, 23,184. Here is our exit. So this inversion fair value gap has been invalidated. Let's come back on 5 minutes time frame and show you the target for 23,351, 23,351, 23,351. It's more than 1 is to 10 RR. 23,351. That is the target for the CFD space, and I think the market will go down from here because we have a rejection block on 50 minutes time frame, that is here. We also have this fair value gap that is market is rejecting currently from. Let's look at this, how it is going. uh, this could go bad against our trade. We have already, the inversion fair value gap has already been invalidated, but there is a volume imbalance. Like here, there is a volume imbalance, so we can include the wicks. But I don't think the market will reverse from here. The market should go higher. Looking at the MNQ daily time frame, we are not in any kind of like volume imbalance or something. We were in this what I say suspension block, and the target is just the suspension block. So if you look at 1 minute, in 1 minute time frame, the suspension block should support our target. So we are about to break the inversion and take a loss. Let's look at gold. The gold did not give any kind of market structure shift, and it is now going lower as well. Let's come back at our MNQ. That's a loss trade. It's a loss trade on both CFD and futures. But let's just wait and see what happens. There is a lot of liquidity here, you can see, which market might come to take. The stop loss should be below the wicks, and it has been taken out. So we are out on both of the trades, both on futures and CFD. I think the market used this inversion fair value gap to come lower. So what is our status right now? We are in $188 in profit on futures account and $151 in loss. $151 in loss in CFD account. I need to be careful with CFD account now. SL120 target 350. Exit कर दूं Ethereum में. Bro, if you want to trade with me, so I will give you the okay. I will give you the trade signals. Just wait for it. Just go with proper risk management, and you will be profitable. So look, I have passed phase 1 of my account. Okay, so I can assure you that I will pass this next phase as well. Is it the time for the MNQ to trace back to the opening price of the day? I don't think so. The market is supposedly bullish and it should go more higher. The pullback should happen in somewhere like New York session opening time. It should go a little bit more higher. Let's do this and have it somewhere here. Now let's wait for the market structure shift so we can get our model again. And for gold, we have swiped out this liquidity as well, and now let's look for a market structure shift. That would be this one. Market is trying to push high. but we haven't get any kind of market structure shift. That's what we are waiting for. Look at gold. Though the gold has begun to move lower more. Sorry for the loss, Swapnil, but we have to accept the losses. Losses are part of trading, and those are under risk management, so we have to accept them. MNQ. I think the market is not going any higher anymore. This was the fair value gap the market has started to reject from, and I think the market will go lower now to this liquidity. We might have a CISD, that is change in state of delivery, and if we can get a body candle closer below this wick, then we might be able to use this fair value gap to take an entry, but don't rush into it. I'm not rushing into this trade until the body candle close is observed above this wick. Then the target could be these relative equal lows. I would like to enter a short here, but let's wait for this candle. As I had said, let's wait for this candle. We have a candle closer with a body candle close low. Now we need a high. For our model, we need this high to be taken out if we want to move further higher. But if the market wants to go lower, it will close inside this fair value gap. We get a body candle closer below the fair value gap, and now the market is starting to come back. So now we need a body candle closer above this wick to take a trade long. Okay, let's come back at gold. The gold is giving all the liquidity, swiping all the liquidities, and I think this liquidity will be swiped as well. The market is coming here right now to swipe out the liquidity. This liquidity is swiped as well. I was hoping for a bullish day on gold. Sorry, I think our bias was bearish as much as I understand. And just delete this. How do I delete this? Yep, deleted. Oh, what the fuck. Is it deleted? Yes, it is deleted now. Let's go to MNQ back now. The market just missed to give a body candle closer above this fair value gap. I'm kind of hesitant on taking this short. This is a short. Let me show you. This is a short. This is a short. This is a short trade. I'm not taking this trade, okay? Because I'm still bullish. I'm still bullish. I'm yet not bearish. This is an inversion fair value gap. Market began to come down from here. It rejected from this fair value gap once, twice, and this is thrice. And I am not willing to take this trade yet now. Let's look at gold. Gold on daily time frame. Let's move this. Looking gold on daily time frame. I think the gold has reached its max limit, and now the gold should start giving prices lower all the way up to this body candle closer. So I want to see a liquidity swipe of any of these higher, then move to lower. What I want to say is market has swiped all these liquidities. I am not going into longs. I want to see a swipe of any of the liquidities above, and then after that, if it gives us a market structure shift to the downside, then I will take a short on gold. And for MNQ, I think the market is yes, I have to look at this suspension block. I think the market has yet not touched the suspension block, but the market should start giving lower prices by now. The market can go way lower than we can expect. Way lower than we can expect. Let's come a daily time frame. Uh, it has taken out the liquidity on CFD space. Wow. But on futures, this liquidity has yet not been swiped. That is something to take care of, or to be concerned of right now. We have this loss in the London session, one loss. Mm, let's look at dollar index. The dollar index is pushing higher. It might take out the liquidities of all the liquidities of. So we have a clear fall for the gold. A clear fall for the gold. We got this MSS, but that is what we wanted to see. This is not an MSS, but more of a liquidity swipe. I wanted to see any of this liquidity to be swiped. I want to see any of these liquidities to be swiped before looking for any prices lower. Let's come back at gold on the here as well. 5 minutes time frame. We have market structure shift. Hmm. Well, like the stream if you are here and subscribe to the channel. We have one liquidity swipe. I want to see just one of these liquidities to be swiped. Or the best case scenario, I want this liquidity to be swiped. Just any of these. This liquidity works as well, but if we get to swipe any of those liquidities, that would be the best case scenario. But here we will have a TSS, and if we get a TSS, we enter short both gold on futures. We can get a really good trade if we get a TSS right now. Looking at MNQ, the MNQ has become jagged right now. It's a totally jagged price action. The market did react for fair, but then it rejected from the previous inversion fair value gap. I am bullish for right now, but bearish for the later of the day. But for now, I am bullish on the NQ. Market is going to give more liquidity swipes from the buy side, and that's what I want to see. The London session has begun, so I think that the volatility should have been injected by the, but the market became more of a jagged than volatile. Let's start some music. I hope this much of music is better. I hope you are able to listen to the music and my voice as well. I hope both are audible. Can you confirm that my voice and music both are audible? We are not taking this trade. Okay, we are not taking that trade. The market is rejecting from this suspension block, and I am sure of the higher prices. We just need the body candle close above these indices to take a long. On oil, the market is not respecting the inversion fair value gap at all. So let us leave it here. Gold, we have a swipe, but we do not have a TSS. I want more swipes up from above. Going lower. What is TSS? It's something that I have made up. It's called Thunder Structure Shift. In reality, it confirms the formation of Thunder Fair Value Gap. And I am not willing to reveal it. It's totally. TSS is one of the best Thunder Fair Value Gap is confirmed. The third and the gap is going higher, and we want to see a TSS here. Then I can take a stall. We will soon have a body candle close above the MSS. Then this fair value gap will turn into an inverted fair value gap only after there is a body candle close above. I was able to see any of these four liquidities to require first. Let me lower the music. Can you hear now? Swapnil, can you listen to me now? I have lowered the music. You should be able to listen to me. Can you listen now? Okay. So just wait for our MSS or TSS. Okay, so we have a body candle closer now. So let's read this one and let's wait for the market to come back here so we can get our entry. We have this minus IFVG as well. So what should we use to take a trade in entry? Should we use minus IFVG or just IFVG? I will go to 5. Let's see if this candlestick is respected properly or not. Let's use this minus IFVG to enter into a trade. It is not like that I'm being impulsive, but I don't think the market is going to retrace back to the minus inversion fair value gap, which would be this one. We are currently in a profit of $200 and we need about $800 more. So let's see if we do $800 from here, how far off we need to go. We will have to set our TP here somewhere. 23 to 22. Here's sell limit 5. The candlestick should have been here. The bodies had not respected the. We are going from 1:6 right now. Mhm. Sorry, it's a secret. I can't tell you about what is a TSS. But to know it's in the full form it is called thunder structure shift. It confirms the formation of thunder fair value gap, and it is something that I have made up, so I'm not willing to reveal it right now. Not before I make a name from for myself, so that no one can steal my concepts that I have made up. We have to worry about one thing, that the market has swiped close below this low, but one thing is in our favor, that if there is some volume kind of this kind of volume balance, then we can include both the candles in one inversion fair value gap. So the next 50 minutes candlestick will close in 2 minutes, and I want to see it close above the wicks. If we fail this fair entry, then we have this another entry. Till then, let's look at gold. So the gold has swiped out the liquidities that we wanted it to swipe. Yep, the gold is swiping the liquidities. So now we are good to go for shorts. If we get a short, let's look at the both market at once. I think the SL in our NQ has been triggered out. Yep, I think we have lost this trade. So what about it right now? Okay, we are still in this trade. We are still in this trade. So why is it not showing up here? I mean, if you long, we barely got saved by one tick. Let's swap gold there, here then. The market is going bearish very fast. So this is our second loss. So we have taken two losses in a row. So how was our account summary? We are in $41 in profit. Let's delete this one. We have another entry here, but I think I'm done for the day on this account. 2% of loss is too much. on a CFD account, plus it is in on second step. But I will take a trade on this account. Still taking trades after two losses in a row because I'm in good risk management. My daily loss limit is $200 and I am still in greens. So that's why I'm taking this trade. Now buy limit. This would be the this minus inflation fair value gap did not work. So we are in the trade now. And I'm not trading this account anymore. I will trade this account. I will need to trade this account like 2 more days. Just go for 0.1 by stop loss modified. Oh shit, wrong asset. Not a problem at all. Two losses and one win can change it all. Let's come to Nasdaq. What happened, man? I am back in greens, by the way. Oh, nice 100. Let's check just one. Let it go. Let's look at this trade only. GBP I just need to complete 5 trading days to pass this account, that is DFT 10K account. I don't need to trade like big moves, but on this account I need about $1,000 and something. We are 51,800. I need $1,200 more, and I think this trade will give me that amount. This is the final trade of the London session, and this is going to be a win, and I am sure of it. The gold has also given us an entry. Let's see. All the liquidities of the from above, the gold has swiped out all the liquidities that were there to be swiped. Now we need a market structure shift. to the downside to take a trade short. But first I need to take out this, it needs to take out this liquidity as well. Let's look at NQ till then. Well, why did this minus IFVG fail? The reason it failed was the market had yet not cleared that this high. Now this minus IFVG will work. We will see the candlesticks will not go below this or not give any body candle close below this now, as the market has cleared the high. This area now becomes minus IFVG. According to the teachings, take trades according to the teachings, and if it works then it works. On the other hand, we are on our risk management. Now this becomes a market structure shift once this high is taken out. You can see the bodies are inside this minus IFVG, and that's want to see. I want to see the bodies stay inside this minus IFVG. How much do we have? As I said, the bodies will stay inside the minus IFVG. The market will fall in the pre-New York session, and that is surety, because there is a huge liquidity down below. Let's look at gold now and see if we get our what we were looking for. Now I want to see a market structure shift here, and I will take this trade on the instant account. $10 in loss we are right now. Oh. The market is rejecting from this place. I think a big move is coming according to me. Looking on the 50 minutes time frame, it will close in just 1 minute. We have two losses for now, and I've been running win trade on gold on MNQ. Hmm. We are halfway towards profit. I think I don't need to have this trade opened anymore. Close this trade right now. The requirement for the day was to just 5 trading days, and I think 4 trading days have passed, and I need one more trading day to pass this account. Coming back to our wealth or a funded account, we have made 2% of loss today, and that's something that I am very not proud of myself. Just a little bit more move, and we will take the full profit out. I think I should move the stop loss by now to here. Let's see 15 minutes candle how it closed. We got a good 15 minutes candle closer, and the liquidity has also been swiped out by this 1 minute candle. Now we need this liquidity to be swiped, and in the process I am sure that our TP will be hit. For now I am just disabling the CFD account screen so that we can look at the futures account properly. Well, I can close the trade right now and make the rest of the $800 yes tomorrow. That will also work for me, and I will pass the account the Blue Guardians Futures 50k starter account with no activation fees. You can use code SMT to get 70% off on the standard accounts, or you can use code SachinM on CFDs Blue Guardian to get 35% off. We have moved 44 points, and we need another 43 points, right? It's 38 points only. Let's change the settings from money to ticks. We are 178 ticks above. This is the midpoint of the fair value gap. This is the low of the 50 minutes fair value gap. We are expecting the prices to reject from this place and move higher, and then we will look for shorts on the CFD account. Okay, so this is the fourth day of trading of that funded trader account. So we will need to trade one more day. That would be tomorrow. Let's look at gold. The gold is giving us a good price action right now. Here it is. As I had said, the gold will fall after this. Let's delete this one and delete this one as well. Nasdaq, we need to close our position. What we should we close our position? Just trace the SL line to up to this place. We have got a body candle closer below that is not in our favor, but I will do this. And now let's come back to gold. I would love to take this trade on gold from this account because this is our A plus setup and I'm willing to risk $100 on this trade. Let's look at MNQ. Okay, so the gold trade has been taken and let me show my screen. It's the hourly candle that you are seeing on the gold. We have an inversion fair value gap against us here, which I am ignoring right now. I have taken a risk of $43 against $700 on gold because I believe the gold should fall by now. We have 30 more minutes left till this body candle closure of gold on the hourly basis. I want to see a body candle close above this area or incident area to be sure of not going lower from here. The market is saying problem closing above this fair value gap, which meaning that this can reverse the market. And for the gold, it's looking the market will reverse and go to our SL. Even for that, all I can say is that just believe in thunder. Let the thunder do its job. Just believe in thunder for the gold trade. Okay, I'll come in 5 minutes. The gold should not have done this. This is totally out of expectation right now. Let's close this trade. So we got simultaneous 5 losses on go on our CFD account. What happened here? The gold is not moving according to the normal price or normal market conditions, so we will not be trading the gold anymore, and I'm not trading that account anymore. That I have taken that loss of 2.3%, almost 2.3%. Yes, that's a big loss. One, two, three, four, 5 losses in a row today. I will just take the SL to here. The CFD account is not clear. totally not cleared, but the futures account is going well right now. 2 4 5. I will close the stream in 30 minutes. So you have any questions you can ask me right now. By the way, like the stream and follow the channel. I am so much disappointed with my CFD account and on myself. The gold should have gone down by now, but it swiped out this liquidity as well. My model is failing today, so should I take another chance? Another chance, just one more. I wouldn't prefer that. Not right now, not anymore, not today. Maybe next day we recover our losses. But for now, 2.3% in losses is too much. Well, I can take 0.5% of loss once more, but it will be in the New York session, not now. And to be exact, this is second phase of the account. So taking a chance with that account is totally not okay. Thank you, Swapnil, for liking and following the channel. Now that's a good candle move. So today in the London session as well, we have two losses and one win. The win is still not there. Yeah, that is the fact that we haven't won this trade yet. The trade is yet not won. The mistake here was that this candlestick had yet not closed above this high. when it had did close did give a close. I mean, when this uh, high was swiped and when the candlestick returned, this area was respected like here, and then it went up. Looking on the gold, I'm not sure now what will gold do now, because I am being stressed in two ways right now. One is what my mentor had said on the YouTube, and other is what I am thinking and I am willing to do. Okay, so right now that those two theories are stretching upon in my mind. My mentor says that the market will fall, and I am saying follow the mentor, but also have your analysis as well. Mind says, my mind would say go long from here and target the Asia high, but according to my mentor, it says go short from here, and I'm stop lost. So I would say always follow yourself, always your intuition first, because if you lose on your own intuition, then it's your loss and you have taken it. But you fail on someone else's analysis, then that's your loss, and you are not the reason for that loss. Bro, who is your mentor? Well, my mentor is ICT, bro. Let me show you what he had said. Come on, gold. Okay, and daily time frame. He said that the market would reject from here and go lower. I mean, go to not somewhere, but it will go lower. It will reject from this volume imbalance and go lower, as much as I remember. And market might reject from this, but might not now. Well, my mentor is the reason who taught me all this. Like, this trade is going up all the way above here. This was my mistake. I shouldn't have taken this trade. My mind was saying, said, do not take this trade. Okay, do not take this trade. You need to wait for the market to come down to this inversion fair value gap. This in minus IFVG is yet not confirmed. The market need to swipe out this high, then this minus IFVG confirmed will be confirmed. And after this high was swiped, this minus IFVG was confirmed, and then market went up. We have 3 more minutes till the next 50 minutes candle to close, and this is the close of the 50 minutes candle that the market is resisting. Let's call this pink. We have a lot of black lines right now. That's what we need to surpass in order to get to our take profit. Well, whenever you are trading with me, man, remember you need to follow the day side risk management. And what is day side risk management? One model of day side risk management for prop firms, let me tell you that you need to divide your daily loss with a number. Okay, a psychological number that is the simultaneous stop loss you can take before breaching your daily loss limit. For me, I have divided the daily loss with like 10. Oh, so if I take 10 simultaneous losses, only then my daily loss limit will be breached. And you have just seen in the and you have just seen in my MT5 that I have taken 5 simultaneous loss, and then I have lost only 2% of the account till now, 2.3% to be exact. And I can still take like 3 to 4 trades, and any one winning trade can cover my all losses and put me in profit. Bro, you haven't. If you have received the email, then you will receive the DFT account. You have received the welcome mail, then you will receive the DFT account. The saddest part right now is that FXN has been shut down, so there won't be any cheap accounts for our community anymore. We need $300 more to take out our profit. We are in the next 15 minutes candle now, and I expect this high to be broken out and take us to the TP. Let's look at gold. This would have been my Thunder FVG. Mhm. Yes, then you will receive the account. Just wait for for that the account to arrive. It was weekend, that's why the distribution was paused. And I know this because I was with FXN. That's a big drop. I wasn't expecting this. I'm still wanting the market to go higher, but now it is the time that when the market starts to fall, like 5 a.m. it's been, and the market will fall today. Just wait for the market opening. According to me, the market will fall today. just wait for the market. Just wait for like 9, 10, 9:30 a.m. Eastern timing or 7 p.m. Indian timing. Now that's a very very good candle. Just have patience, man. The market is accumulating a lot of orders here. Like too many orders are being accumulated here. 2.3% loss. That's a big, massive loss in a single day. And the target is only $500. What what kind of trading was this I did today? I shouldn't have taken a lot of trades that I took. I think I have to trade one more day on this account to pass it. It's too much of like suppressing the candlesticks, so a worst can come. I'm sure a burst will come, and I will trace my SL now because I think the burst will on whichever side it will continue on that side. We are in macro time frame like 410 to 450 to 510 macro. Let's do this. As I said, the market is going to go for an expansion very soon, and it is going to be one-sided. We are at $100 in profit right now. Just few more candles and we will have this trade closed. In 2 minutes we will close this hourly candle and we will enter into the next hour's candle, and we will have then observe how that candle prints on the price chart. Last minute of this hourly candle, and it will close in 30 seconds. In 5 seconds we will close this candle, and we are in the new hour now. We are in 5 a.m. candle. The new hourly candle has opened. So this is the time to close my stream now, but I will hold till this thread is something like ended or with SL or with TP. We are going towards SL, but I'm sure that the market will do the necessary to take it up to the take profit. There should have been big candles right by now, very big candles going towards one side. Let's look at gold. The gold is still going up. We are at 40 plus, and I think the take profit is around $1,200 as much as I anticipate. Just $1,000? What the fuck? It should have been $1,200 or at least $1,100. Just $1,000? No worries at all. $1,000 is also a good profit. Hmm, just few more minutes. We are still in the macro time frame. $1,200 right now. I can get like $1,200. I was thinking that I'm at $1,200, but TP should be here. And I am sure this TP will be taken out. Mhm. It is taking too lot. It is taking too much of time. The macro time frame will end in just 3 minutes. The market is just being jagged, just jagged, just jagged. Too much of jagged here. So we are exiting the macro time frame in just 1 minute. So the macro time frame will end in just 3, 2, 1, and the macro time frame has ended. And now let's see how what kind of price action is unfolded now. Why is the market so slow, man? Oh shit, man, why is the market so slow? We have a news today. I think we still the market is too slow. Push up higher, faster. Well, it's been 2 hours since I'm streaming, and now I think it's time to close the stream. I will share the result on the X. Thank you for being here. Looks like weakness as long as below 23 475. Let me see. 23 475. Bro, that is our target. 23 475. This is the reason for the weakness. I think this 15 minutes fair value gap. This is the reason I think. Once we give a body candle close on 15 minutes time frame above this, then we go for the bull side very fast. This is blue in nature. 23 385. So your bear is Sania Joshi. So your bear is Sania. But I'm still bullish till this liquidity is taken out. We do have an inversion fair value gap here, but the inversion fair value gap was not respected, as you can see. Let's just wait and see what happens. We are just few ticks away. Let me do it a little lower. That is okay. So we are taken out. So how much in wins we are right now? We are in for $94 in wins. We need $800 more. Sorry, $300 more to cover. Okay, so you were right, Sania. We got stopped out here at 1 is to 2 point something. Here, 1 is to 2 point something. So 2 loss, 1 win. Okay, so bye everyone and enjoy the rest of the day. Be safe. I'm stopping the stream now and we will meet in New York session at